guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Or should I say The Art of Mathematics? Because today we are going to do a really fun mathematics proof. Well, it's not really an actual proof, it is a very popular fake proof in mathematics where we are going to prove the impossible. We are going to prove today that 1 equals to 2. Well, you and I both know it's impossible, right? But this fake proof actually proves it. And this actually happens with a very tiny mathematical error. So what I'm going to do is once I do the proof, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and try to figure it out yourself that where have we made this error which led us to prove that 1 equals to 2. Now let's get into the proof or the fake proof. Alright. So I am going to start off with a very simple condition saying x equals to y and also that x is not equal to 0. Alright, simple. Now we'll start off with x equals to y. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply x on both sides. So that gives me x times x equals to y times x. Now according to the rules of algebra, x raised to 1 times x raised to 1 is x raised to 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we have x squared equals to y times x. Now I'm going to subtract both sides with y square, right? So we have minus y square to both sides. So we have x square minus y square is equal to y times x minus y square. Now this x square minus y square is a very famous algebraic expression which basically goes something like x plus y times x minus y equals to x squared minus y squared. So we are going to use this over here. So this can be written as x plus y times x minus y, which is equal to, here we'll take the y common outside. So we have y, open parenthesis, y is multiplied with x here and this is your negative sign, and y here is multiplied with itself. So we have minus y. If you notice, we have x minus y on both the sides. So this means we can divide this entire equation by x minus y. So then that step will look something like this. X plus y times x minus y divided by x minus y equals to y times x minus y divided by x minus y. Now since this is multiplied, we can directly cancel these terms, right? So what we are left with is x plus y equals to y. Now, if you remember our first condition, which is x equals y, we can write y as x, right? So we get x plus x equals to x. Now x plus x gives us 2x and this is equal to x. Now I'm going to divide both sides with x. Sorry for the error here, right? So we have 2x upon x equals to x upon x. We can cancel this x, which equals to 1, and we get 2 equals to 1. There you go, it's proved. But how is this possible? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you pause this video, take like maybe 2 to 5 minutes and try to find out where in this entire equation have we made the error. Alright guys, now I'm going to reveal that where in this fake proof have we made the error, okay? And the error is here, in this division, here. This is the error. Here we have divided both the terms with x minus y. But according to our first condition, x equals to y. So that means x minus y is actually 0 and anything divided by 0 is not defined, which means the error was right here because this step itself makes the entire equation in front of this invalid. If you all are teachers, make sure you do this with your students to challenge them. And if you all are students, make sure to challenge your friends. For fun science and maths tricks like this, keep following the Art of Science.